guys, today we are making the automated door system that when any objects come near the door, it will open automatically. For this, we are going to use the infrared sensor, servo motor, breadboard and Arduino. First, we will see what is infrared sensor. It is also known as the IR sensor. Here in the IR sensor you can see there are 3 pins: output, ground and VCC. Here ahead you can see there are 2 similar looking like LEDs. One is the IR LED and another one, this black one, is the IR photo diode. How the IR sensor works? The IR sensor measures the heat of the object as well as detect the motion of the object. Usually in the infrared spectrum, all the objects radiate some form of the thermal radiation. This type of radiation is not visible to the human eyes. That means we cannot see the infrared rays with our naked eyes. By some means of using of instrument, we can see the infrared rays. This sensor is capable of receiving the IR rays. Here the emitter, which is known as the IR LED, emits the IR waves, and this is the IR photodiode which receive the IR rays. When the IR rays are received on the photodiode, the resistance and the output of the voltage will change in proportion to the magnitude of the IR receiver. IR LED is one kind of transmitter that emits the IR radiation. The LED looks similar to the standard LED, and the radiation which is generated by this is not visible to human eyes. This radiation is detected only by the IR receivers, which is available in this photodiode. This photodiode is not similar like the simple photodiode. This is the IR photodiode which is used to receive the IR rays. So here is the conclusion, that the IR sensor, from that the IR transmitter transmits the IR waves which goes to any object, where the object reflects back the sum amount of IR waves back to the sensor, where the sensor, the photodiode, from the how much amount of intensity of the IR waves received, from that it calculates the motion and the heat of the object. In IR sensor there are also 2 types of sensor. One is the active IR sensor and another one is the passive IR sensor. In the IR sensor, both the transmitter as well as receivers are there, while in the PR sensor it only detects which the heat of or the motion of the object. There is no transmitter in the PR passive IR sensor. We can use both for this purpose. I am using the active IR sensor for the automated door system. Now on the place of the door motor mechanism, I am using this servo motor to visualize the door opening and the close system. The working of the motor is simple. We'll keep it at a 0 degree. Here it means the door is closed, and when the motion detected by the sensor, the door will open. So we will make the sensor at a 90 degree rotation, so our door will be open. Now let us see the circuit connection. Here in the servo motor you can see there are 3 wires. The first, the yellow one, is the output of the servo motor. The middle one, the red one, is the VCC, and the third, the brown looking color, is the ground wire. Connect this yellow wire to the pin number 4 of the Arduino here. And this infrared sensor, the output pin connect to the pin number 3 of the Arduino. And connect the VCC and ground respectively to the Arduino. The code of the project is posted on my blog. You can check from there, and I will also give the GitHub link in the description. You can access from there also. So here I make a small model or a demonstration of the automated door. Here you can see I stick the servo motor with a small stick to resemble as a open the door and close the door. Here I stick the IR sensor to detect the object, and here the circuit connection. Now let's power up the Arduino. Here is no object, so the door is closed. Here on the sensor you can see there is a two light. One light is on, that means the sensor is working. Now when any object is detected, the another LED below here will be start glowing. You will see that. I will take this as an object. The object detected. Here you can see the second LED start glowing and the door is open. The door will be open for 5 seconds after the object moves away from the sensor. The door is closed after the 5 seconds when the object goes away from the sensor. And the door will be open until the object is near the sensor. That means the second LED is glowing. Now object is not there, the door will be closed. It also senses our hand also.